What if you could build a YouTube channel that makes money without ever showing your face, without buying expensive equipment, and without any video editing experience? That's exactly what I'm doing in 2026. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact tools, the exact workflow, and the exact steps I use to produce videos from scratch using nothing but free AI tools. This is the video I wish I had when I started. Let's get into it. Welcome to Cup of Joe AI Edition, where we break down AI tools in plain English so anyone can use them. If you're new here, subscribe. I post every week. Quick disclaimer. Everything I'm about to show you is free to start. You don't need to spend a single dollar to launch your channel in 2026. I'll mention where paid upgrades are worth it later, but none are required on day one. Here's exactly what we're covering today. First, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? It's a channel where you never appear on camera, no face, no voice even if you want, just visuals, voiceover, and text on screen. You've seen these channels everywhere. Top 10 lists, news explainers, finance breakdowns, tech tutorials. Most of them are faceless, and here's why they're exploding in 2026. AI has made them incredibly easy to produce. Here's a wild stat to set the stage. 85% of creators now use AI tools daily, and high-definition AI video generation costs have dropped 40% in just the past year. What used to take a full production team can now be done by one person with a laptop and a few free tools. The niche I recommend for beginners? AI and tech. It's the fastest growing category on YouTube right now, and the audience is hungry for simple, beginner-friendly content. Let me walk you through the exact tools you need in 2026, all free to start. Tool 1, Claude Opus 4.7 at claude.ai. This is your scriptwriter. Give it a topic and it writes your entire video script in about 60 seconds. It also handles titles, descriptions, and video ideas. Tool 2, ElevenLabs at ElevenLabs.io. This turns your script into a human-sounding voiceover. Pick a voice, paste your script, hit generate, download an MP3. No microphone needed. Tool 3, Pexels at Pexels.com. Your free stock footage library. Thousands of HD video clips, all licensed for commercial use. This is your B-roll, the visuals that play while your voiceover talks. Tool 4, CapCut Desktop. Your video editor. Free, beginner-friendly, AI auto captions built in. This is where you put everything together. Tool 5, Canva at canva.com. For thumbnails and channel branding. Free tier is more than enough to start. That's it. 5 tools, all free. Total cost to start a YouTube channel in 2026, $0. Bonus tool worth mentioning, Opus Clip. This 2026 tool automatically turns your long-form videos into shorts. Hours of editing done in minutes. Free tier available. Game changer once you have a few long-form videos posted. Step 1, picking your niche and channel name. Your niche needs to hit 3 criteria. 1, you need to produce content consistently. 2, there needs to be a real audience searching for it. 3, it needs monetization potential. AI and tech hits all 3. Finance hits all 3. Health and wellness hits all 3. True crime hits all 3. Pick one and stick with it for at least 90 days. The algorithm rewards consistency in a niche. For your channel name, keep it simple, memorable, and relevant. Something like Cup of Joe AI Edition works because it's warm, approachable, and signals the niche right in the name. Once you have your name, set up your YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com, click your profile picture, click Create a Channel, follow the steps. Takes 5 minutes. Step 2, writing your script with Claude Opus. Go to claude.ai and type this prompt. Write a 10-minute YouTube script for beginners about your topic. Include a strong hook in the first 15 seconds, 5 clear sections with timestamps, simple language with no jargon, and a call to action at the end to subscribe. Claude Opus generates a full script in about 60 seconds. Read through, tweak to match your style, done. For your title, ask Claude. Give me 3 YouTube title options optimized for search and click-through. For your description, write a YouTube description with timestamps and 5 hashtags for this script. The one Claude session gives you everything you need before opening another tool. Claude Opus is the strongest model for this in 2026. It writes in a way that doesn't sound like AI. Step 3, creating your voiceover with ElevenLabs. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. Click Voice Library and browse. For a tech channel, I recommend Adam for a deep, authoritative tone, or Daniel for clean and neutral. Once you've picked your voice, click Speech Synthesis, paste your script, spoken words only, no stage directions, and hit Generate. Listen back. If anything sounds off, add a period or ellipsis to create a pause, or adjust the stability slider down slightly for more expression. Download your audio as an MP3. Name it clearly. You're done with this step in under 10 minutes. Step 4, getting your B-roll footage from Pexels. B-roll is the video footage that plays while your voiceover talks. Since you're never on camera, this is what your viewers actually watch. Go to Pexels.com and search terms related to your topic. For an AI tools video search, technology, computer, artificial intelligence, futuristic office. Download 8 to 10 short clips. Aim for 5 to 15 seconds each, completely free. Every clip on Pexels is licensed for commercial use, meaning you can monetize videos that use them with 0 copyright issues. In 2026, there's a new option. AI video generators like Runway and Sora can also create custom B-roll from text prompts. But for beginners, stick with Pexels first. It's free, instant, and plenty good. Step 5, putting it all together in CapCut. Open CapCut Desktop and create a new project. Set your ratio, 16 to 9 for regular videos, 9 to 16 for shorts. Import your voiceover MP3 and drag it to the timeline. Then drag your stock footage clips onto the video track above the audio. Trim each clip to match what's being said. Next, this is the most important step. Click Text. Click Auto Captions. Hit Generate. CapCut automatically transcribes your voiceover and adds captions. Style them bold white with a black outline. Add a subtle background music track at about 10% volume from CapCut's free music library. Export at 1080p 30 frames per second. Done. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. Go to studio.youtube.com. Click Create. Click Upload Videos. Select your exported MP4. While it uploads, fill in your title. Use your keyword in the first 3 words. Paste your description with timestamps. Upload your Canva thumbnail. Add your tags. Set category to science and technology. Hit Publish, or schedule it for Tuesday through Thursday between noon and 3 p.m. for the best reach. Then immediately after publishing, like your own video, pin a comment asking your audience a question, share the link anywhere you can. The first 30 minutes of engagement tell the algorithm whether to push your video further. Now let's talk about when you actually start making money in 2026. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to join the YouTube Partner Program and earn ad revenue. That sounds like a lot. Here's how to get there faster. Post 2 long-form videos per week. Builds watch hours. Post 5 shorts per week. Build subscribers fast since shorts get pushed to people who don't follow you yet. Channels in the AI and tech niche posting consistently are hitting monetization in 3 to 6 months, some faster. While building to monetization, also earn through affiliate links in your description. Tools like ElevenLabs, Canva, HeyGen, and others all have free affiliate programs in 2026. Drop your affiliate link in every video description and earn a commission every time someone signs up. So there you have it, the complete step-by-step system for starting a faceless YouTube channel with AI in 2026, 5 free tools, 6 steps, and you can have your first video published this week. If this helped you, drop a like, takes 1 second, and genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe to Cup of Joe AI Edition for weekly AI tools and tutorials made simple. And if you want to see the exact tools I use to script, voice, and edit every single video on this channel, that video is up next. See you there.